this is Dmitry from Meet One team, and today I would like to talk to you about Meet One wallet. And what is the good things about Meet One multifunctional wallet? We will find out right away, right now. So I open my phone. As you can see, my Meet One wallet on the screen over here. You can see it, and there is two applications. One is Move One, another is Meet One. We will talk about the Move One in another video. Right now we'll record video about Meet One. So guys, check it out. What is this? Open Meet One wallet, and we can see the first thing on the top in the left corner. We can see different wallets with the different. This is all my kind of different accounts, and you can see different accounts over here. Yeah, with the different amount of EOS. On the top you can see my EOS balance, how much EOS I stake right now, and how much RAM I have. So the second thing, in the right corner we can see the plus button with which we can scan QR code and send EOS to another people, or we can receive EOS, or we can see different transactions, what we did before, the history of our transaction, which is very convenient. I think on the main page, just press buttons very fast. You can do everything in 1 second. As same as you can send EOS to another account, you can receive it in 1 second. So Meet One built it in such a way that it's very ergonomic. If you're holding your phone, you can easily press all these buttons, and it will be a very useful thing. So today I will talk about the first tab in our app is Assets tab. Let's go down, guys. Balance. We press the balance button and we can see different transactions. Whoa, I received Boyd token, and it's a very cool thing. Boyd is a new project, so we can see this Boyd on my wallet over here. So for example, if I will press this button, I can send Boyd to another accounts or to another people the same way I'm doing with the EOS, and it will be very extremely fast. You don't need to wait transaction confirmation for 7 minutes or 10 minutes. In EOS network, it's happening in half second. I press, people receive. Even the person in another part of the world, immediately, because the EOS network is extremely fast and is one of the fastest blockchain networks in the world. So I'm really proud that we're doing the projects based on EOS, and I'm really happy about that. So what's next? I would like to show you. If you press different, for example, Karma project, yeah, I receive a lot of Karma, and I can see the different transactions in and out over here. You can just press. The same over here, I just press QR code, and here is my account name with the QR code on which you can send different Karma, or I will go back and I can press transfer button and I can send Karma to another people the same way with another tokens. You can see another tokens over here. So it's very useful and very easy in use, guys. Keep enjoying it. Just download Meet One wallet and just enjoy how it's easy and how beautiful it is. Thank you guys for watching me right now. Subscribe on our video, press thumb up, and I will be happy to show you another thing, another page on the next video. So it will be discovery, really colorful page, really easy to understand, and big buttons. You don't need to click. You will not mistarget your button if you just press it. It's very easy to use. Thank you guys for watching me. This is Dmitry from Meet One. One more time, subscribe on our channel, press thumb up. Thank you.